Hi there, students. To stupefy, a verb. Stupefied or stupefying, adjective. Stupefaction or stupor, the nouns. Okay, to stupefy means to make somebody unable to think clearly, to dull the senses or capacity to think. His opponent was stupefied by a punch in the face. And then we use this figuratively to mean amazing, astonishing, stunning. Notice this word stunning to mean amazing is in very common use. To stun is when somebody hits you and you see stars and you don't know what to do. But it was stunning, it was amazing, it was stupefying. I was stupefied by the size of the restaurant bill. I was amazed and shocked. Her beauty stupefied him, and he could not speak. The fans were stupefied when their team lost. Okay, so it's got this idea of to stun, where you're hit and you see stars. Stunning, amazing, stupefying. Okay, we have this noun, a stupor. And a stupor, this is when somebody is nearly unconscious through alcohol or drugs. He was in a drunken stupor. And I think the noun stupor I would use for that meaning of it. But stupefied we can use in both ways. So, stupefied, made stupid with drunkenness or infatuation in love. His mind had been stupefied by too much alcohol. And then to be amazed, bewildered, perplexed. I was stupefied by his unkind words. I did not expect them. I expected him to be grateful. The scene at the road traffic accident stupefied him. The horror astonished and shocked him. The kids were stupefied when Frankenstein walked into the room. I was stupefied by the extreme cold of the Russian winter. Amazed, surprised, shocked. The enormous size of the room stupefied me. His mouth hung open in stupefaction and amazement. She was stupefied when she learned that she had won the lottery. So, to stupefy, to stun, confuse, befuddle, to knock senseless, in a state of stupefaction, in a stupor. Or to amaze, to astound, to dumbfound, to stagger or overwhelm. Her beauty stupefied me. So notice, to stupefy, a regular verb. It stupefied him. He was stupefied. And I think I'd probably give it something like 6.5, 6.5 or maybe even 7 in formality. More informally, to stun, to surprise, to amaze, to shock. And then this word stupefy comes from Latin. Stupefacere, or facere, or facere, something like that. To strike or hit senseless. So, to stupefy, in a stupor, nearly unconscious from drugs or alcohol. To amaze, to surprise, to astound. There are a stupefying number of videos in my channel. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stupefy, Stupefaction and Stupor.